All right, so today we are at Hickory Place Townhomes. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome with lots of room and lots of storage. First thing you'll notice when we walk in is they've opened this up, the kitchen. It's got brand new appliances, brand new countertops, sink, lighting. Kitchen has been completely updated. You got this super large refrigerator with the bottom drawer that opens, ice maker. This is where your washer and dryer hookups are, and look at how much space is here. You've got, of course, your top rack, but you can fit 2 pretty large washer dryer units here. The owner decided to go ahead and leave the old Black & Decker dustbuster here. They're not going to warranty that, but you're welcome to use it. You got your half bath with updated sink and faucet and lighting. Got a very large living room with, again, I'll show you the storage space here in just a second. Which is, from here would be a standard size closet. I know it's hard to tell sometimes with video, but this goes way back. You probably on the floor have about 9 feet, maybe 10 feet of floor space. Of course, it's tapered. You have an electric fireplace, new faux wood blinds, updated ceiling fan. Go ahead and look at the deck. Deck obviously needs to be cleaned. Depending on how quickly you need to move in, we can probably have that done ahead of time. It's not going to affect the rent either way, but this is available right away. A lot of storage space here. If I showed you the storage space in the living room, I almost forgot. Got another large closet. This is right when you walk in. I would say probably 8 feet. Now as we come upstairs, we got a pretty good sized landing space. I've seen people sometimes want to put like a bookshelf or something decorative right in here. Plenty of room for that. Upstairs bathroom has new flooring, updated faucet. This is the first bedroom, which is pretty good size. Now this is eyeballing it. I would say it's probably 12 by 12 maybe. So it's not huge, but not tiny either. It's going to have a standard size closet in that one. This bedroom is about the same, a little bit bigger, maybe an extra foot in length. You do have that area where you walk in. Additionally, again, standard size closet. And then the master. Then the master, which is pretty ginormous. I know this camera's not going to really capture it. Try to put it on a little bit wider screen. But this is, I'll have to measure. I want to say it's probably 20 by 12, maybe 20 by 15. It's very, very big. And so you have this big master bedroom with a ceiling fan that has a remote, walk-in closet. Again, huge walk-in closet, a lot of space. And there's so much space, you could literally hang your stuff on one side and have room for your drawers in here. And then you have this huge space Let me come to this corner so you can look back and see what I'm talking about. There's just so much space, so much you can do with it. Then you have your master bath, which again has new flooring, updated faucet, and again, a huge master tub. And just to give you perspective, I mean, that comes up past my knee. I don't know if you can see that, but very, very large master tub. Does have the shower head, so if you want to put in a curtain, you can do that and use this for shower or bathing, but just huge.